Hello everyone, happy Vlogmas day 2. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a room tour, so I'm going to show you both bedrooms, closets, bathrooms, just kind of go through the whole shebang because I know that some of you are looking into applying for the program or you already have and you got accepted, so you want to know about the different complexes. So I live in Chatham Square and we have 2 bedrooms, 6 girls, and so we have the bunk beds, but it's not really that bad. I'm not on the top bunk. I'm not even on the bunk bed. I'm over here, so obviously that's a little different because I feel like if it might be different if I was on the top bunk, but it seems like the girls I live with really don't care. They don't seem like it makes a big difference to them, and we all really like living here. To me, it's just not that bad. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so this is when you first walk in. Here's the front door right here. And in our apartment, when you turn to the right, there's this little closet door. And basically, it's just like I don't know what kind of closet it is. We just keep our vacuum and a bunch of miscellaneous stuff in there. And then when you turn to the left, you have the door for our bathroom, me, Claire, and Taylor's bathroom, but I'll wait and I'll take you in the front. And then you have our hallway and our cute little Mickey Mouse rug. And then over to the left, you have this desk type thing where we keep, oh, look at that. Oh, what a cutie. Where we keep our little flamingo. Sometimes we have candy or cookies, like these are from the Christmas party. And this is where we attempted to do a calendar, and we each have like our own color. We saw this idea on YouTube somewhere. And so we were going to each write our schedules down every single time the schedules dropped, so we would know who was doing what and all that good stuff. But we always forget to do it, so there's that. So yeah, there's that area. And then you enter the living room where we have Taylor's she's turning 12 balloons, our cute little Christmas tree. So actually, this space, like to me, this whole area actually seems ginormous. Like it's really big in my opinion. We have like tons of floor space that we don't even do anything with. So we've got our cute little stockings, a place where we keep the TV, and these are 2 different tables that were kind of like on opposite sides of the couch, but we just chose to move these right here. I can't exactly remember why we didn't just use this one. Oh, what happened was we were going to put the TV on just one of these and use one as a, side table, but it didn't work out because the TV stand was too big. Anyways, pointless information. And then it comes with the coffee table, it comes with the chair and the couch. And yes, this is hideous. This is absolutely disgusting, but we didn't really want to pay for couch covers and it really doesn't matter. So there's that. And then I brought this just for an extra seat for us to have. And then here, if you watched my roommate gifts, you saw these. Kaylee made these for us. It's each of our states with like drawn to Orlando and the miles. So that's like extremely cute. Here's a good idea for roommate gifts if you're looking for ideas. And then we have, okay, yes, so this is Taylor. She just brought this cute little Peter Pan tapestry. So that is the living room. It's pretty big in my opinion. And then you come over here and this is where we have the dining room table and all of our ears. Kennedy has the majority of the ears and she took a few home, but here they are. We're missing a few. I wonder what people are doing today. And again, there's 6 of us. I heard about this and I watched videos on this and it ended up happening. There's 6 of us, but there's only 4 chairs. But it honestly does not make any difference because we are never all here at the same time to eat. And the times that we have been, we've just never had like a sit-down meal all together, which maybe we should do that, but we haven't yet, so there you go. The 4 chairs really doesn't matter to me, and I've never heard any of our roommates complaining about it, so it's all good. And then if you turn around here, we have our whole kitchen, which still isn't, I mean, it's not like the best, the nicest looking kitchen, but it's really not bad to me. So we have this area. They actually came and gave us a new microwave. I think they gave us a new dishwasher too, because when we first arrived, the dishwasher was filled with like 4 inches of disgusting water. So that was pretty gross. And then we have like a ton of cabinets. Our pantry is super small, but we all kind of designated ourselves a different row. So again, it's not that bad. I remember thinking that it was just going to be so packed because I saw all of these videos, but it's just really not that bad to me. Like, none of us are ever complaining about the space. We're more complaining about like little tiny things like this. So our stove top situation is pretty bad because literally like almost, it seems like all of them smoke up, and we've tried to clean them out and it doesn't work. And so, yeah, that's the stuff we complain about, just little tiny things like that. And so, yes, tons of cabinets, 2 fridges. Ours came with 2 fridges. I'm pretty sure like almost every apartment comes with 2, especially if you've got 3 girls. So we just divided up the bedroom. So Bailey, Kaylee, and Kennedy get this fridge, and then me, Taylor, and Claire got this one. And then in here we just keep like bags for trash cans and a bunch of, you know, pointless stuff. Another thing that we were confused about is why they gave us 4 baby trash cans instead of 1 big trash can. We don't know, because we fill up the baby one so fast, and then you have to take 4 bags of trash out instead of just 1 big one. But again, just a small problem that really doesn't matter in the big scheme of things. This also closes. It's like a separate little room or something, but we never really close it. We always keep it open. So yeah, that's that area. It's really not bad. The only thing is like the appliances sometimes, you know, but I feel like you'd have problems with that in a bunch of different places you would live, so it's really not that bad. And then we have our cute little alien that Claire stuffed with like 100 little peppermints for Christmas. That's all of this area. We love it. We love living here. Okay, I forgot this part. So this is the little balcony thing that we, oh gosh, that we literally never use. I've probably been out here like 3 times to talk on the phone within the last 5 months. But yeah, got a wonderful view. Sometimes we see deer. I've seen like several deer back there, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, there's that. Not really much to do out here. Okay. So on this side we have bedroom 1, which is me, Claire, and Taylor. And then over there is 2, which is Bailey, Kaylee, and Kennedy. So I'll show you our room. Oh, and these are the cutest things. This is what Taylor made to put on our bags for our roommate gifts. Please look, she took our favorite princesses and drew. She's a Picasso artist, literally. She's amazing. So beautiful. Okay, so here is our room. It's actually, it's pretty small, but it's not that bad. Like, the space issue isn't that bad. What's bad is the closet and the bathroom. That gets pretty tight, but yeah. So anyways, this is my area. Look how cute little dog baby is. Okay. So this is my area. I have my ginormous fan going right now. We all have fans because it is so hot. It is so hot in these apartments. So if you are hot-natured, make sure that you bring a huge fan or do something, because we all die. It's like 72 is the lowest you can keep the apartment on. but it's just hot to us. So anyways, so yes, this is my area. This is my area. I have my pictures of a bunch of people back home, a clock that my boyfriend's mom gave to me. It's Alice. I love it so much. My bed. I have this basket down here that I just use to keep like my makeup, my hair dryer, all that good stuff in. I got this that actually worked perfectly. It fits so well. We got it at Target and we had to put it together here, which was a pain, but anyways, it works well for all of my shorts, t-shirts, that good stuff. And then yeah, I just keep my hats over here, my jewelry, sunglasses, some ears. It's actually like looks super cluttered now that I'm looking at it, but we have a ton of stuff and not a ton of space, so forgive me. And then over here, these are my pins. Let me know if you guys are interested in pins and you want to see like a pin board collection or something, because since I've been here, I've been super into like collecting pins. So I don't have a ton, but it's still really fun. So let me know if you'd be interested in something like that. And then we have this. This came with the room. It was kind of broken. Please excuse me. I'm in my lifeguard shorts. I don't just go around like this every single day. So we have this. This came with the room. These drawers were actually all like broken, which is a bummer, but I mean, hopefully yours, they won't be broken. They just were like a pain to pull out and everything. So I don't even know if Claire is actually using these drawers. But it comes with a big mirror, which is nice. And then we just have like, use this as kind of like nightstands, like on either side. And it also came with this big ginormous trunk underneath that I use to put clothes and things in. So that's really nice because it fits underneath the bed. And then this is Taylor's area. So adorable. She's so cute and hip and cool. Way cooler than all of us. Please look. And she's got her little cute little piglet and Tigger. And Mickey Mouse thumbs up, so cute. And then she bought this little drawer thing to kind of use for her nightstand, which is really cool. And then over here she has this area, which she did. Please, she's literally so cool. Look. Hola. Oh, look. Subscribe to Tweedle Taylor. She's got all her cute stuff over here. And then we have Claire up here. Sweet, cute Claire. Her and Austin. Oh, how cute. And she got the top bunk. She's such a trooper. So sweet. And then her stuff she has over here. So she bought this from Target, I believe. And she just does the same thing. Kind of hangs her ears and her hats up there and puts some clothes down there. So, yeah. That is our room. Okay, and then over here, kind of right next to the door where you walk in, that's where our closet is. And this is very sad. So for us three, this is the space we get. It is super, super tiny. Like, we have all of our stuff scrunched as tight as we possibly can. It just looks super junky 24/7. We can't really do anything about it because we don't have the space. So yeah, not enough room for a party in here, but I mean, it still works out. We're pushing through. It's just a super, super tiny closet for 3 girls. So then when you walk out of the closet, you have our room again, and our bathroom is over here. So this is a door to get to it, and then you can also enter through that door over there. So this is our bathroom. Again, it's super tiny for 3 girls, but it's not too bad. It doesn't really bother us terribly. So hello. So yeah, it comes with, well, yeah, the bathroom comes with a toilet right here. We have just, I mean, your typical, we have drawers, cabinets. Our cabinet space really isn't that bad. We kind of all have our own area. And then we have this. This is kind of like a little medicine cabinet that keeps some stuff in. And yeah, it's really not that bad because we're never really getting ready at the same time. I mean, sometimes we are, but we all have work at different times, so we're never like all packed in here really. There's only been a few times when it's been like that, and it's still not that bad. Yes, here's our adorable little shower curtain that Claire brought. It's adorable, so cute. And then you have right here, this is the closet, which is super tiny, but all we have to fit in here really is towels, all that good stuff, so it's not bad at all. So yeah, that's the whole bathroom. Really not that bad. And then you can, like I said, this door opens back up, back to like the front door in the hallway area. So yeah, when you walk out of the bathroom, you're back to the front door. And so next I will show you, oh, look at sweet little Bailey over there getting ready for a date. Next I'll show you this bedroom. This is Bailey, Kaylee, and Kennedy's. Again, Taylor's amazing artwork. It's literally so cute. Look, 2 bells in the same room. It's not good show right there. Okay. So then you open the door and it's kind of the same looking thing. Theirs is just a tad bit bigger, but not by too much. And here's Bailey's area. It's so cute. She has her lights and everything cute hanging up. Kennedy is up here. And then I'm pretty sure Bailey bought this at, did you buy this at Target too? Yeah. So she got this at Target, and then Kaylee got a small one at Target, and they just put them together. So it looks, actually it looks perfect. It looks really good. So yeah, they have this, and then this is Kaylee's area, which just always looks so neat and cute. And then, ooh, focus. And then they just have like a little mirror. Kaylee has her hats hanging up and all of that good stuff. So that's their room. And then it came with, again, it came with the same little like thing that goes underneath the bed and one of these dressers with the mirror. So yeah, both rooms, at least in our situation, both rooms came with that. And theirs came with this little nightstand. But I guess they just use this here to kind of set stuff down when they come in, which is a good idea. So, and they got a fan as well because, like I said, it is so hot in this apartment always. And then they have their bathroom, which is just a little bit bigger too. And hi again. And yeah, so they've got this in here, shower. This is adorable. I love this. This is just where they keep a bunch of their stuff. So cute. It rolls around. And then here's their closet, and this is the space that seems much bigger. We are jealous of their closet because it's pretty big. So yeah, this is their closet. I don't really want to go in detail and show you all of their stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Okay guys, so that was the room tour. So just let me know if I didn't say something that you wanted to hear about the apartment or show you something that you really want to see. You can message me on Instagram or comment down below and just let me know, because I want to show you everything that you guys would like to see. So yeah, that was this room. It's the Chatham Square apartment tour, and it is not that bad. I enjoy it. I know a lot of my roommates are fine with it. It's really nice. We actually like it a lot. So thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 2. This is going to be really fun, filming a bunch of different stuff that I haven't gotten to film. I'm super excited to get it out there to you guys. If you have any recommendations of stuff you want to see, comment down below and let me know. And yeah, I think that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're the best. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.